Hey guys, it's Valerie here. So in this video I'm going to be doing a drag makeup look using my Life's a Drag palette by Manny, MUA. Now I told you guys that I wanted to do a lot of looks with this palette, and this is my second look so far. I went for something very natural because, well, not natural, but you know, very natural colors and subtle, because this is my first drag makeup look and I don't know how it would turn out if I were to use like the bright colors, but I do want to make a look using bright colors, so stay tuned for that. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Hold up.
I'm just gonna run this glue stick through my brows. Oh god, I'm so scared. Oh god, I'm scared. I don't have much brows anyways. Oh, some brows just came off the glue stick. Do you guys see that? Oh god. Oh, no going back now, so. Oh, I guess it's from the dollar store. Yeah, some of this back. So, I'm just gonna brush my brows up. I think that's how you do it. I'm trying, okay guys? I am trying. I don't know if this is gonna turn out nice. What the hell is going on? I don't know guys. I'm trying. What is all of this? Is it supposed to be like this? I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna keep going though. No stopping. I'm just gonna go back in just like one more time, because I feel like it's not sticky enough. I'm gonna go back in with that brush, that brows up. I'm just gonna take some Patrick Star setting powder and I'm just gonna set my brows with this. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Primer. This is my favorite primer ever in the world. Full coverage foundation in the color 360 Mocha. This is perfect for the look that I'm going for. I'm gonna take my Morphe sponge and I'm just gonna blend this all out. I'm about to make a mess right now. I'm about to add some more freaking glue because I thought I added enough, you know? I don't know how this is gonna go. Add some more freaking glue. It's from the dollar store, so who cares? Ooh, that looks gross. It's not gonna get any better. Next up, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Also, I'm gonna go in with my NARS concealer. Next up, I'm gonna go back in with my Patrick Star setting powder, and I'm gonna use the back of this sponge and I'm just gonna set my brows and where I just concealed. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Film Noir Powder Blush. So I'm gonna be using that Patrick Star setting powder again to carve out the contour. I'm gonna go in with a regular brush and I'm gonna wipe away all of that setting powder. Now it's time to contour the nose. Start from where my actual brow starts and then go down. And then you just want to blend that out with your fingers. Life's a Drag palette, of course. I'm gonna go in with the color Trade right over here. And I'm gonna blend this out. I'm gonna go in with Snatched over here. The color Shady right over here. that right here. And I'm going to take it on this brush. I'm just going to cut out the crease real quick. On top of the lid. Next up, I'm going to be taking my NYX matte liquid liner.
Mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Now I'm going to clean this up a little bit with foundation. Is trying to draw back on the brows, okay? I don't know how that's gonna go, but it has to go. So I have to carve out the brows. So I'm going to go back with the Born This Way concealer. Small brush, I'm going to take the color Snatch and I'm going to place that all over the bottom lash line. And blend all under the lash line. These lashes, and I'll be right back. And I'm gonna pick up Shady. Take my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara and I'm just gonna blend out my real lashes with the fake lashes. And now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife and I'm just gonna highlight my face. So I'm gonna go with my Fenty red lipstick and I'm just going to put that all over my lips. Okay, so the last step is to set my face. So I'm taking this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and I'm just going to set my whole entire face. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys!